Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you a best all-in-one Windows tool which is very useful to remove bloatware, malware scans and boost your PC and simply optimize it. So what is this tool called and how to download and install it? Let's get started. First what you have to do is get over to your Google Chrome or any browser you like and then simply type repair kit. Once you do this, here just scroll down a bit till you see this GitHub repository. Just click on this. Now just scroll down a bit and then go over to releases and then click on latest. Once you do this, scroll down again and then click on repair kit.zip file. Once you do this, it will automatically download it. Just select where you want to download and it will be downloaded in a few seconds. Once the downloading completes, go over where you downloaded it and then here you'll see the zip file. Just right click on it and then click on extract. Wait for it to complete the extraction, then you'll find the folder, open your folder and then here you'll find the setup file. Just right click on it and then click on run as administrator. Click on yes and now as you can see it has started working. Now this one is important. Just select which tweaks and things you want to do from it. Just for me, I would select delete system policies, registry tweaks, system tweaks, features, services, junk files, remove bloatware, repair disk issues, update outdated programs, everything, and just simply click on run automatic repairs. It will first create a restore point and then it will run the repairs. As you can see, it is telling the progress with what is done and what is yet to be done. It will be done in few seconds or it might take a few minutes as well according to your device speed or your device configuration. So just wait for it till it completes. If this asks you that the following programs are outdated, these are all the programs which needs to be updated. So just click on yes and it will update them in an instant. You can also check these useful programs tab, as here it provides you these third-party apps which you can launch directly from here. You can always check them out, and there are some system shortcuts as well. Disk cleanup, ms config, just like if you click on open task manager, so it will just simply open task manager for you. So yeah, this is very useful, and the main feature is this, which is automatic repairs, and this one is very useful. So yes, this is how you can do it guys, and this is the must download and install tool, and I will recommend it 100%. So yes, this is it for today's video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tool. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.